Welcome to the magical island of Santorini, a place where history, beauty, and tradition merge together to create a truly unforgettable experience. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the history of Santorini, show you how to get there, highlight the must-see attractions, and explore the island's rich traditions. So let's get started. Santorini, located in the Aegean Sea, is a Greek island renowned for its breathtaking beauty and unique geography. But did you know that this enchanting island has a rich history that dates back thousands of years? 1. Santorini is a volcanic island located in the southern Aegean Sea, about 200 kilometers southeast of Athens. The island is famous for its stunning views of the Aegean Sea, its traditional white and blue houses, and its rich history. 2. The history of Santorini goes back to the Bronze Age, when it was called Thera. The island was home to one of the most advanced civilizations of the time, the Minoans. However, in the 17th century BC, a massive volcanic eruption destroyed most of the island, leaving only a small part of it intact. Today, Santorini is a popular tourist destination, with visitors from all over the world flocking to the island to experience its unique beauty and culture. Getting to Santorini is easy, with regular flights from Athens and other major European cities. You can also take a ferry from Athens or other nearby islands. 3. Once you arrive on the island, there are plenty of things to do. One of the most popular activities is to take a boat tour around the island, where you can see the famous caldera, the volcanic rock formations that make up the island's coastline, and the beautiful beaches. 4. Another must-see attraction on Santorini is the ancient city of Akrotiri. This city was buried under volcanic ash after the eruption, but it has been excavated and is now open to the public. You can see the well-preserved ruins of buildings and streets, as well as ancient artifacts. 5. Of course, no trip to Santorini would be complete without trying some of the local cuisine. The island is famous for its fresh seafood, as well as its traditional dishes like moussaka and souvlaki. You can also sample some of the local wines, which are made from grapes grown in the volcanic soil of the island. 6. Finally, Santorini is known for its unique traditions and culture. One of the most famous traditions is the wedding ceremony, which is often held in one of the island's churches with a stunning view of the Aegean Sea. Another tradition is the celebration of the Feast of the Assumption of Mary, which takes place on August 15th and includes processions, music, and fireworks. In conclusion, Santorini is a beautiful and unique island with a rich history and culture. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on the beach, or experiencing the local cuisine and traditions, Santorini has something for everyone. So why not book your trip today and experience the magic of Santorini for yourself? Don't forget to like video and subscribe to the channel for more.